I'm Cinde Aslana, and this is Essential Wellness. And today we just got bombarded with snow. So a lot of you out there who are fortunate enough or unfortunate enough to be shoveling snow or stressing out your back are going to feel it later on today. Also, too, this is a great video if you do a lot of gardening, for those of you who don't have any snow. So when you're gardening and you're down here and you're digging and you're pulling weeds or any motion that you're doing stuff like this, maybe you have a rowboat even, I don't know, whatever it is, and you feel your back is sore, this is a great video for your back stuff. So first of all, you can start off with a nice basic stretch. If you want to do a little warm up to get into your garden or a warm up to go shovel your snow, just go ahead and stand with your feet together and just go ahead and take a nice lean over. This gives you a nice lateral stretch all along here, which will transfer down into the QL and your hip. And on the other side. And do that as many times as you need. And we're going to do a stance that's a little bit wider now. And you're going to slide your hands down onto your thighs. And you want to round and arch your back. Tuck your tailbone under. And do a couple of spinal rolls. And then you want to do a cross stretch. So taking the opposite shoulder to opposite knee will really get into that low back area, your lats, anywhere you need to loosen up in the back with those motions that I showed you before, from shoveling or gardening or canoeing, whatever your activities in life bring you. And then you do a couple of those, whatever feels good for your body today. And then the last one I want you to do is when you get down onto the floor, I want you to take this 3-minute stretch, both sides. And you're going to feel rejuvenated and invigorated, and a great stretch to do to literally unwind after a long day at work. So starting off on your back, you can bring your knees into your chest, give it a little hug, rock from right to left. And then you're going to bring your arms into a T posture, dropping your legs over to one side, and then turn your head to look to the other side. And this stretch is really good to twist your body to literally feel like you're giving your body a twist, like wringing out the stress and tension like a wet washcloth, wringing it out. And you hold this for about 3 minutes. There's many different variations that you can take of this stretch. Some people can actually straighten their leg and bring the knee all the way over, but you want to be sure that the shoulder can stay to the floor. So if you can't bring your knee all the way down, use a pillow. You can even straighten your leg if you want to get deeper down into your SI joint. But whatever stretch you like to do, just do it for 3 minutes. And I'm Cinde. This is Fox River Spa in Algonquin, Illinois. Thank you for watching.